Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video. We're going to try a new technology called EdPuzzle, and I'm going to be doing some work on writing today. And I'm going to stop, basically EdPuzzle will have the video stop occasionally, and you will answer some questions during the presentation, okay? So let's get started. Number 52, the EdPuzzle video, writing, introducing effects with so and therefore. Let's see if I can get that out of the way. Okay, so how do you say so and therefore in other languages? So take a moment now to find your language and see the translation from Google Translate for so and therefore. In this row, we see the different translations of so, and here we see the different translations of therefore. Let's read an example sentence from Google Translate. In English, our sentence says, Mary's alarm clock does not work, so she was late for work. In Spanish, the sentence reads, El despertador de Mary no funciona, así que llego tarde al trabajo. Okay. Let's read another example sentence from Google Translate. It says in English, this machine is not plugged in, therefore it does not work. Which in Spanish we translate to, esta máquina no está enchufada, por lo tanto no funciona. Take a moment now and read it in your language. I'm going to continue to the next slide. Formal and informal. The words so and therefore have very similar meanings. Therefore is more formal than so. Leave that for a second. So that's a big difference between them. They have very similar meanings, but therefore is more formal than so. Okay? And that's just in how they're meaning. So we're going to see some different ways in how we use them shortly. This is some things that you already know, some of your previous knowledge. You know that because introduces the reason why something happened. The reason is usually called the cause, and the result of the cause is called the effect. Effects can be introduced by the words so and therefore. So you've written sentences like this. Mary was late for work because her alarm clock does not work. And then we can use so to reverse the cause and effect, and it will look like this. Mary's alarm clock does not work, so she was late for work. Okay? So each of those sentences relates the same information, but the cause and the effect are in different places based on the word we use to connect the two sections of the sentence. Look at the causes and effects here. Mary was late for work because her alarm clock does not work. Look at these examples. Mary's alarm clock does not work, so she was late for work. This machine is not plugged in, therefore it does not work. And see where the causes and the effects are in each of these sentences. We can conclude that a sentence with so or therefore needs the cause and the effect in the opposite positions than a because sentence. Punctuation. At the top of the page here, I put a reminder that this is a period, this is a semicolon, and this is a comma. You will see these on this slide. Use a comma before so in a cause and effect sentence. I am not tired, so I can do more work. Use a semicolon before the word therefore and a comma after it in a full cause and effect sentence. I am not tired, therefore I can do more work. I am not tired, semicolon, therefore, comma, I can do more work. So we see the semicolon and the comma in this sentence. Use therefore to separate the cause and effect into two sentences. In that case, there is a period before therefore and a comma after it. So a period to make a new sentence. It says, I am not tired, therefore I can do more work. Here we have separated into two sentences. It says, I am not tired, period, capital letter with therefore, comma, I can do more work. Take a look at this model paragraph with me. Read this paragraph with me. My new smartphone. I got a smartphone for my birthday, and I soon realized what a useful invention this is. I travel a lot, so now someone can get in touch with me wherever I am. If I am busy, they can leave me a voice message, text message, or email message, and I can get back to them. It doesn't matter where I am. Sometimes when I am traveling, I see something I want to remember. Now I can take a photo or video of it because my new phone has a camera in it. Therefore, I do not need to take a camera with me. It is also very small and light, so it is easy to carry in my pocket. In conclusion, I really do not know how I lived without this wonderful invention. Pause the video here if you want to read the paragraph on your own. And at this point, I'm going to put in a question. Now I have highlighted this sentence in yellow. The sentence says, I travel a lot, so now someone can get in touch with me wherever I am. Now I have highlighted a sentence in blue. I will add in a question about this sentence. These sentences need commas. I will add in some questions about where to put commas in these sentences. Finish these sentences with clauses that make sense. I will add in some questions about how to best finish these sentences. This is the end of our practice. This is the end of our practice writing with so and therefore. Thank you for taking the time to work with me today. Okay, so I hope that worked well. I hope you were able to see your answers as we practiced. We'll be doing some more practice with so and therefore during this week.